Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. In this video, as in the Bitcoin video, I'd like to keep it short because I did make an extensive or extended video yesterday in which I discussed all the different options here for the, let's say, the higher time frame. In this video, therefore, I'd like to focus only on the very short-term price action because the move of the weekend lows was clearly impulsive. So it was a nice 5-wave move to the upside. I'm in favor of further continuation to the upside, especially as long as Ethereum is holding 1459, which is here for this correction, the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement. So the idea is that Ethereum completed a 5-wave move to the upside, peaked here at 1790 or 1785. This was, as per my, let's say, primary interpretation, a wave 1. And we're now coming down in a wave 2. This is the wave we've been waiting for here towards the end. I gave you a target. That target was basically reached. And then we said, as soon as that target is reached, we need to be ready for that wave 2 decline. That wave 2 decline seems to have started yesterday. Already updated you about that in the last video, that this could have been a wave A. Now we can expect some sideways movement or a slight upside in a B wave. And then we should see a C wave down. I think that is so far what's happening. Looks a bit like you could call that a bearish flag. That's often what you see in an A-B pattern here, with then a C wave to follow to the downside, which should unfold in 5 waves. If we look at what the B wave is allowed to do, so the ABC structure here would be part of the wave 2. First of all, let's establish where the B wave could get to. The B wave would, let me just, no, that's wrong. That B wave here highlighted in white, where is that allowed to get to? What would that normally do? So I'll just need to pick that tool again. And we measure the retracements of the A wave. So, and the typical targets for a B wave like that. So you can see we already reacted to the 38.2 retracement. Now, would be more ideal to see a little bit more of a pullback to the upside, but it's not guaranteed. You know, you can get a reaction to the 38.2 Fib level, but in an ideal world, it would retrace a little more, maybe to 1726 or 1740 and come down then. But it's very much possible it only reacts here to the lower Fib level and comes down then, right? Bear in mind, a B wave itself consists of 3 waves. So what you can get all sorts of funny stuff, and that's why I don't want to trade B waves. You can get this A wave up, B wave down, yeah, maybe even with an overshooting B wave to the downside, and then a C wave to the upside. That's all possible, and it's going to set up a lot of people for failure. That's why I'm not trading the B wave, but the C wave should be an impulse to the downside. That can be traded again, but that's entirely up to you. But this is basically the target range for a B wave, already triggered. From here at some point, maybe in the next few days, we can expect downside. Until then, I would expect, let's say, sideways movement in a B wave, broadly as a triangle, or maybe as a flat pattern. Yeah, as I just showed you, could be we come down to the A wave low or close and then go up again. We want a 3-wave structure in the B wave, and then eventually would be expected for that C wave to come down further, ideally into the region between 1575 and 1459. But it could already react to the 1623 level. Yeah, so be aware of that. But the more ideal standard support level is here for cryptos down there between 1575 and 1459. And it is expected at the moment for Ethereum to complete its wave 2 correction here in this area, and then to rally in a 3rd wave afterwards that could take us to $2,000 and beyond. What happens if we drop below 1459? Well, not much, because it is actually an overlapping support area. Yeah, we will morph directly into the next scenario, which would then indicate that we're actually in this wave 2 probably still, or in another scenario. But if we are in this scenario here, then we basically have the same situation that we had end of last week. Basically with the possibility to scale into this larger support area, and the idea that we haven't finished wave 2 yet. But I did discuss all that in the previous video. So in this video, I really just wanted to focus on the short term. Note that it's not guaranteed for the price to hold this support area, but it is the area in which, should this be a wave 2, the wave 3 to the upside should start. Okay, that's my update about Ethereum. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.